guys, what's up? So today I just kind of want to share with you guys some things that I picked up from Twisted Allure. If you've been following me for any amount of time now, you know how I love this company. Their packaging is adorable. Their scents are outrageously amazing. And yeah, I just love this company so much. Let's jump into it. I decided to pick up some items from their summer collection. I have not smelled any of these items, you guys, so I'm doing a blind smell test and hopefully everything smells good, but I'm sure it will because it's Twisted Allure. Okay, so the first product I picked up is the Black Coconut Body Lotion. This is going to smell like mahogany and coconut. So let's see what it smells like. It's such cute packaging. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that smells really, really nice. Wow. That is a great scent. It's very coconut, but very, at the same time, musky and woodsy. Yeah, I'm in love with this one. Next, we have Cocoa Screams. Here is what it looks like. Such cute packaging. And this is going to smell like pink coconut. Whatever a pink coconut would smell like. Ooh, that is nice. That is kind of coconutty, but with floral. Very, very feminine kind of smelling. I love this. Okay, so next we have Death on the Beach. And this says it's gonna smell like warm sand, suntan lotion, and sea spray. So, I'm not a fan of how sunscreen smells, so I'm kind of nervous for this one. Okay, so that one is not my favorite out of the two we've done so far, but it's not bad. It almost smells like a car air freshener, but it's not bad. I will definitely wear it. It's just not one of my favorites so far. Okay, you know what it smells like? The soap at a car wash. That's exactly what this smells like. But that packaging, so adorable. Oh my gosh. I can see myself wearing this one maybe by the pool or the beach. Next, we've got Bloom of Doom. And this says it's going to smell like botanical greens, juicy citrus, and fresh island florals. Let's check it out. Ooh, that is nice. That is really nice. That smells like when I was in Jamaica. Straight up. That is a beautiful smell. I love that so much. Smells like a tropical island paradise. So next we have Haunted Beach Vibes. And this says it's going to smell like spooky summer beach blanket, whatever that could possibly smell like. Let's see. Ooh. Almost has a baby lotion kind of smell to it, but like baby magic. If you smelled baby magic. But also has a kind of summery smell to it as well. So those are all of the summer scents that I could get my hands on. They were sold out of a lot of stuff. I believe they're dropping another summer collection like here within the next week or so. So I'm pretty excited to see what they come up with because I might have to grab some stuff from that collection too. I did, however, have to stock up on some of my personal favorites. One of them being this lotion right here. This is called Funeral Flowers and it smells like graveyard roses. This is just a very straightforward green rose kind of smell. But yeah, I love using this straight out of the shower. Something about being fresh out of the shower and putting this on. I just love the way it smells. It is like a very strong rose scent. So if you do not like rose scent, then this one is not for you. I also had to stock up on some of my favorite sugar scrub scents. So we've got two of the Witching Hour scent. This is clove, apples, cedarwood, and sandalwood. If I could describe how Salem would smell, this would be it. I'm just going to go ahead and take that off for you so you guys can see how cute. Yeah, this totally smells like a witch's cabin. It's very metaphysical smelling. If Salem or any little witchy town like that had a smell, this would definitely be it. And I had to stock up on my all-time favorite Sugar Scrub Twisted Allure scent. And you guys, there's just something about this scent. I don't know what it is, but I keep going back for more. And I really wish that they would drop this scent in lotion, body spray, wax melts, all of the above, because I would totally sell it out. This is the Gravedigger Sugar Scrub. And you guys, this smells like wet gravestone and freshly dug dirt. I know what you're thinking, freshly dug dirt, wet gravestone, ew. But I love this scent, you guys. It is a very wet kind of rain, fresh rain smell, very musky, deep, earthy. I love this scent so much. There's a little gravestone. How cute is that? I let the tiniest amount of this sit in my shower for probably about 6 to 7 months because I did not want to use it. I would just literally sit underneath the water in the shower with this tub like this and just be smelling this. It smells that good to me, and I am so in love with this scent. Twisted Allure, if you see this, please drop this scent in more items. I need it in a body lotion. I need it in a body spray. I need it in wax melts. I love this so, so much. Well, that is it, you guys. I just wanted to share with you guys some products that I bought from Twisted Allure. You guys, I love this company so, so much. Go check them out. I'm not being paid to say this. I'm not getting any free product from them. I bought all of these products with my own money. And yeah, I just genuinely love this company. The products, the scents, the packaging, everything is just what's not to love. Love it all and can't wait to try all of these cute body lotions out. You guys go check them out at twistedallure.com and be sure to follow them on their socials as well. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.